Step-by-step guide. Choose a platform. This video is about to create a business account. Choose a platform. First step, decide on the platform that suits your business needs. This could be a social media platform, an e-commerce site, a business management tool, or any other relevant service. Visit the website. Go to the official website of the platform you have chosen, then sign up. Look for the sign up or create an account option, just like Google and Yahoo and other platforms. Click on the begin the registration process. Select business account. Some platforms have an option to choose between a personal and business account. Select business or similar option. Like Google asks for a professional account or a personal account. Enter business information. Fill out the required field with accurate business information. This may include your business name, industry, location, contact details that helps you to grow, and the attraction of client and people. Create username and password. Choose a unique professional username like info @ some website that you have, or other the Gmail, and attractive your business name. Digital marketing @ gmail.com. Like, create a strong password to secure your account. Never share your password with anyone. Verify your account. Some platforms may require verification through email, phone, and other means. Following the verification process, you have to make sure your account is totally verified with phone number or other email to secure it. Complete profile. Add a profile picture, business logo, and any other relevant information to complete your business profile. You can create your logo on Canva and other different tools, different platforms. Configure setting. Adjust privacy setting, notification, preferences, and any other setting according to your business requirement. Explore features. Familiarize yourself with the features and tools offered by the platform. This may include marketing tool, analysis, or communication feature. Like Google gives many tools like marketing tools, Google Ads account, and other marketing softwares or communication features. Connect other services optional. If applicable, connect your business account to the other services or integrate that can enhance your business operation, like Facebook and social media platforms, Instagram, and other. Create content if applicable. Start creating content, post or listing on the platform to establish your business presence. Promote your business if applicable. Like, utilize the promotional feature offered by the platform to increase visibility. Stay informed. Regularly check for updates, announcement, or changes to the platform that might affect your business. Engage with customer. If platform allow for customer interaction, respond to the comment message or inquiries promptly. like connect to the other services. If we want some details, we'll search. So we have identify integrated option, explore available apps, select the direction. There are 8 types and other more options. So we start from identify integrated option, check the platform setting or the app store to see if it offer integration or connection of the other service. Look for the term like integration app for the connections. Explore available apps, browse the available apps or integration to see which one are related to the business needs. This could include tools, marketing analysis, accounting, customer relationship management, CRM, etc. Select the direction integration, authorize access, configure setting, test the integration, enable automation, monitor performance, and other different examples. Important tips: you have to secure your business account that no one can access this easily. Authorize access. Click on the chosen integration and follow the prompts of the authorized access. This may involve logging into your account on both platform and third-party services. This is the way you can create your business account, and the platform you need, you have to choose like Google, Yahoo, Telegram, and other social platforms which provide your business and other emails. And select the business account. Some platforms have an option to choose between a personal and business account. Select business or a similar option like professional. Another, create username, password, enter business information, sign up, verify your account, complete profile. That's all.